G'day, here's a small parcel of Australian Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Rules in millimetres, the material's been wetted. Just gone in a bit closer so you can see each piece. They're basically practice material. You can use backing for doublets if you want, or triplets. Quite often used for that purpose. It's nice hard material, most of this, so it'll polish good. Something like this you can just cut and polish. There's stones off from the back. Doesn't really lend itself to cut that. Again with this, similar idea. Unless of course you want to practice chasing the lines, because that's the key to getting good Boulder Opal stones, is they end up undulating and you need a Dremel type tool, flexible shaft to cut it using burrs. Again, something like that, you could just reshape into little stones. It's being sold as practice material, low grade. It's not $1,000. I wouldn't expect you to get $1,000 stone out of it. But it's good to start, somewhere to start, so you don't buy a few $100 piece and wreck it. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.